Today's post notification shout out goes out to GW13 Empire. If y'all like to be educated, y'all will want to check out his channel. Make sure you subscribe to his channel, tell him that the kid who sent you, and watch his video, like, and leave a comment. Now guys, I will appreciate it if you guys watch to the end of my video and subscribe if you're new, and also watch out the ads, guys.
Channel forget your view. Listen to that intro, yeah. What I make for you. Subscribe and share that easy. Your thoughts on the video you for leave it. So the kid who can see it and read it. New video I go upload weekly. Press like, so the numbers can get high. Till it run past everybody video. For support the channel, that not killer. Hey, a secret.
I am going home. Apparently it's 22,000 for XP fill. As we said, 22,000 for fill. 3 different teeth, and my card, my health card, only could cover 18. So we have to go over the machine, draw money and thing, right? When I draw the money, go back to them, give them. Right now I draw, my gum, feel away. Yeah. So I got me out now. Nah, like, it was so terrible, guys. I don't want nobody go through, I just go through. So my mouth feels sore, and not only my mouth but like my gum swell up, guys. May I tell you, don't fill your teeth, watch out. My lip turned sideways. Wanna see this? I don't know if y'all seen this. I want a bad man. But I'm go home, my link on still, cause at night, as you know. Yeah. So guys, I reach home, I just eat one snack. What may I say? Oh, how I feel?
I feel away. I feel away.
But just numb, my mouth feel numb. Oh God, it hurt me. Alright, so actually this is my second time getting fail. I think I saw 3 of them, 3 teachers fail, because as I said before, 22,000, right? This is the second time I had the feeling. If you know, well, I'm never telling, I told you that my teeth was broken. So technically, the 2 front teeth, my 2 front teeth, they were filled. That was when I was about 13 them age then. Watch my phone then. So man, guys, my battery died. So I have it on charge right now. As I was saying there, I did a 13, yeah, I was about 13 them age them. And you know, because I never have my teeth broke all along, I've been feeling them you know, the pint and everything. So when it did feel, it did feel kind of weird. So how I feel now, I don't feel, well, my teeth not feel different. It's just my mouth. This swell up, you know. If you realize it's well, come like my do lip surgery. Wait, me make my thumbnail. Alright, me make my thumbnail. As me I said, I feel like my, yo, when I lay down in the seat, I feel like my tell her. First, she give me the anesthesia or whatever it name, injection here, for numb it. Hot your friend, yo. When she reached, yo, pain, Jesus, please. After that, no, she said I fell on the teeth. Enough time I jump because enough time it took me the thing, but you know what I'm feeling there. Yeah. Afterwards, she put the arms in her mouth, you know, the suction, like when water in her mouth, take out that. Yeah, and she do her thing, she put on it, whatever she put on, everything. No, oh, it painful, but it's not that painful. Like, what they have to one lady, like, me got the dentist at office, but one lady, the other one, but all she had scream out, me say, Lord God, that's something I can feel, me say, hell no. But me know, I feel more wide, my tongue off the over here so, because you know, say over here so I shall work with, so she tell me to put my tongue over here so, and due to all my mouth did what my wide, wanna go brush my teeth when I'm done, but due to all my mouth what my wide, it pain me and my lip feel dry, my mouth did every time I feel it, you know, my mouth dry and my breath good ass thing, but God, I can't. Anyways, so I need to do an extraction because, you know, girl got some teeth growing around here, and them they tell myself forget it because yes, when I just went to the doctor office, my gum they start, the dental office, my gum they start hurt me, so that for sure you see, you need to go do something, so it hurt me because it grow, so I need to get them come out too. But apart from that, I'm alive and well. I went through this surgery. Yeah, I call it surgery because I feel like a surgery I go under. Anyways, I made it through and I'm fine. I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. I'm gonna use a flash on my phone for y'all to see how it actually looks, how my teeth actually looks. Yeah. Viewers' discretion is advised. Look, now I'm alone. So guys, I want me to grow so no out, but that's it. Thanks for watching. The goal was to see what your life